Be advised, ASP is going to be in the hardest parking lot. Logan County, we've entered a 35-mile-an-hour zone passing Taco Bell. Speed's going to be 50 miles an hour. Logan County, I'll be turning radio traffic over to Logan 5.
We are westbound on East Walnut, passing 5th Street. Speed's 52, moderate traffic. Airspeed has all the intersections blocked off. Once we get out of the city limits, we'll try to get TV out.
10-4.
Still eastbound, we're coming up to the intersection of 301. Speed's 33, moderate traffic.
I think you meant westbound.
Westbound, speeds of 56, past South Wiggins Drive, moderate traffic.
10-4.
TDI. Rollover start at 10:16.
10-4, 10-20.
We are Short Mountain Lodge right here at 22.
10-4.
Start fire as well. Hey, let's get her out. Let's get her out.
Go, come on. I'm covered. Hey, tell me to buy some fire.
I got fire.
Can y'all get any doors open?
No, it's locked.
No.
We got enough here. Can y'all get traffic?
Yep.
Here, watch out.
You got it.
Oh, shit.
All right, but you got enough.
You alright?
Yeah.
Try to slow
You do this?
Good job.
EMS is 97.
10-4.